Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am recreating my graduation makeup look. I was looking at my pictures and feeling a little bit nostalgic, and I was like, this is a cute look. I need to recreate this for my YouTube channel. So that is what I'll be doing in this video. I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Thato and you're most definitely welcome on my channel. Do hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and ring that notification bell as well so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get into the video. So I'm starting off by doing my brows, and I'm using my Essence eyebrow designer pencil. The shade is brown, and I absolutely love this pencil. It is absolutely amazing and super affordable. So yeah, and I have an eyebrow tutorial using this very same pencil. It's an affordable eyebrow tutorial, a full tutorial. I'll link it up in the cards for you guys if you want to see like a full step-by-step eyebrow tutorial. But as you can see, I'm outlining the brow at the bottom and the top, and then I'm filling it in with hair-like strokes. Then I'm brushing it up with the brush from the pencil and concealing the brows to clean them up at the bottom using my Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm blending it out. I'm just concealing the bottom and not the top, just so I can leave it having that natural look, but crisp and sharp at the bottom, you know, clean and neat. And then for gel, I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the shade Blonde, just to seal the deal, you know, to keep them in place. And now we're moving on to the skin. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer to prep that skin. And then moving in with my Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour foundation in the shade Nutmeg for the base. I'm blending it out with a damp beauty blender. Isn't that finish just amazing? That skin-like finish of the skin, it's absolutely amazing. I love this foundation. Now for concealer, I'm using the Pro concealer again in the shade Cool Tan to highlight, and I'm using this on the bridge of the nose, underneath the eyes, the cupid's bow, chin and forehead. And as you can see how I'm applying it there by the eyes, it's just to give it that lifted look. And I am blending it again with my damp beauty blender, blending it away, blending it and blending it in until it is perfectly blended. And then just to make it bright in certain areas, in the inner corners of the eye, a little bit by the forehead and the nose bridge, I'm using a lighter shade, which is creamy beige, of the same concealer. Then to set it all, I'm using the Yardley loose translucent powder with my big fluffy brush, very fluffy brush, just to make it easier with application, and I tap off the excess just so I can lightly set all the areas that I applied my concealer. Then for contour, I'm using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Expresso, and I'm using an angled brush to contour. I'm contouring there by the cheekbones. As you can see already, like actually by my cheeks, there's a specific spot that you can see, okay, these are the contour ridges, and I apply it right around that area, so just above that area, so that's where my natural contour is. And I contour my forehead and my nose and my jawline. As you can see there by my jawline, I really kind of have a double chin situation, so you need to contour that as well. Well, especially if your face is kind of your jawline is not as sharp and, you know, naturally sharp and chiseled. Now for blush, I'm using the Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Peach Me Up, and I'm applying it in a sun-kissed manner, so almost like, you know, that sunburn area, and that's just the nice application right there that I prefer and that I did for this look. And now for eyeshadow, I'm using the Juvias Place Magic Mini eyeshadow palette. And of course, before applying the eyeshadow, I have to prep and prime those lids. So I applied my illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige to prep those lids and prime them. And now I'm going with my round fluffy brush right there into the crease area and just blending it outwards and upwards towards the brow. That is the technique that I was doing, and the application and the process in this look that I was doing. And now I'm going to apply my concealer to create that cut crease, and I'm using a flat brush for that, a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to apply my half cut crease. Now we are going to go in with that beautiful bronze Bruno, that's the name of the shade, from the palette, and I'm using a flat brush to apply. So basically what you want to do is just go in with your flat eyeshadow brush and just dip into that shade, or like sweep across that shade, and then pat it and pack it up on your concealer. That's how you do your cut crease. Just pack it up, let it adhere to the concealer, and it's as easy as that. Now with my fluffy brush again, I'm going into that copper orange shade, and I'm using this to actually blend out the edges of the cut crease so it's not so sharp, you know, just to blend it out and make it softer. And I'm using a flat brush in the same shade to go there underneath my lower lash line for the shadow and the shade underneath my lower lash line. And we're gonna set this face, honey. We're using the Maybelline setting spray, and you're setting the face, then we're applying our highlighter. Because you just applied your setting spray, your highlighter will even pop more because you didn't let your highlighter set. You just applied your highlighter while it's still a little bit wet. I'm applying it right there at the apples of my cheeks, my eyebrow arc, my nose bridge and nose tip, cupid's bow, and chin as well. Look at that highlighter and how beautiful it is. And we're going there in the inner corners of the eye as well. Now I'm going in with my Essence waterproof eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. The shade is black, and I'm going there right above my lash line. So I'm not doing a wing line or anything. I'm just applying it right above the lash line, just so there's no like gap between the lashes, the falsies and the natural lashes. It just makes it very smooth and makes it very a nice blend, gives it a nice blend. Now for mascara, I'm using my Essence Lash Princess baby, and then we're going to use the Eyelash Boutique lashes and the very beautiful style of lashes. And while we're waiting for the glue to get tacky, we're going to move on to the lips. I'm using the very same product that I use for brows. Two products, many use this, and I'm using this as the lip liner to prep the lips, and then going in with my colorboost Matte About Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Dusty Romance, that beautiful nude pink shade. I love this lipstick. And I'm going in with my lip liner again to seal the deal. Then we're applying the lashes, and we are done. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below, and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, as well as share this video with somebody who might need it. You never know, somebody's graduation might be coming up and they might find this video inspirational, so do share it. And yeah, remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video.